just learned that the Federal Housing Finance Authority has put in a few little changes starting May 1st. If you want to buy a home and you happen to have good credit because you've worked maybe pretty hard to have that good credit, you know, paying your bills on time, that kind of thing, not taking out too many loans, not going crazy with the credit cards. If you did that, well, you probably did it because you think that, well, one day I'll be rewarded for that. It's the right thing to do, of course, but I'll also eventually be rewarded because I'll get lower interest rates, less fees, a better mortgage rate. Aha! Think again. Joe Biden comes into town. He suddenly changes it so that now, if you happen to have a good credit score, you're going to get charged more. Here are the numbers. Listen up. If you've got a credit score of 680 or more beginning on May 1st, the Biden administration now has a new rule. You're going to get charged about $40 more per month on your home loan above $400,000. Because you see, you got to subsidize the people who don't have a good credit score. Your money is going to go to help afford all the people that don't pay their bills on time to help them buy a house. Oh, like that makes sense, right? And it gets worse. You see, if you've saved up enough money and you want to put 15 or 20% down for your home mortgage, the government's going to slap you with more fees because now you are going to have to pay a higher rate to subsidize those with riskier credit scores. You know, we tried this leading up to 2008. I do believe it became the biggest financial crisis since the Great Depression. Remember Barney Frank? Barney Frank, the very loud and proud congressman from Massachusetts, big-time Democrat, quasi-socialist that believed you just needed to give everybody money so that they could buy their own house. They were called Nina loans. No income, no asset. You didn't have to have any money coming in the door. You didn't have to have any assets on hand. You didn't really have to have anything, but you could go get yourself a $500,000 house. We know how that all ended, do we not? You can't give out free money. You can't just say, we're going to give you this and hope for the best. And you certainly shouldn't be penalizing those that work hard to save their money, pay their bills on time, and say, we are going to now charge you more because we're a little worried about this guy over here. That is not America.